What is going on, guys? Stefan here with you, S&E's Garage. Today we are in the shop with our 2006 Lexus IS 350, and we are going to show you how to fix a stiff brake pedal in your Toyota or Lexus vehicle. So here's what's going on with this thing. If you let this car sit overnight, when you come out in the car in the morning and go to start the car, you have to put your foot on the brake pedal to hit the start button to get the car to start. What's happening for us is our brake pedal is getting hard overnight. So what that's telling me is the vacuum from the brake booster right there is bleeding down, and we're losing our power assist overnight. And I'm going to show you just how simple, easy, and cheap that is to fix. All right, so what we have here are two parts that you're going to have to replace to fix this issue. First, we have a vacuum check valve, which is mounted there on the booster. That's going to be part number 44730-28010. And then we have the grommet, which is 90480-24015. Just double check with your year, make, and model with your dealership. Make sure these part numbers are right. Like I said, this is for a 2006 Lexus IS 350. I have to assume that the 250 is going to be the same part because the booster is likely the same. So that check valve lives right here. So this is literally how simple this is. We're going to take a pair of pliers and we're going to go ahead and remove that clamp there. And then we're going to pull that valve out and pull the grommet out. All right, so let's get in here with our pliers. We're just going to use a nice long pair of needle nose pliers here. And we are working around a brake line here, so it is a little tricky, but just go ahead and get that off. And then we can use these same pliers to go ahead and push the hose off. And we're just gonna get that up and out of the way. Just going to take a long flathead now. I'm going to get behind this valve. And we're going to pull it out and then drop it on the ground just like that. And now we can go ahead and remove the grommet like so. Okay, here's our new grommet. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use a little bit of silicone spray here, and I'm just going to lube this grommet up. I don't wanna use too much, because I don't want this to contaminate the booster, but we just wanna make it so it slides in. Okay, and it is in, like so. Now we're going to take our nice shiny new check valve right here, and in the same fashion, without dropping it, like I said, without dropping it, I'm going to go ahead and slide it into place and then rotate it up into position. Now all we have to do is go ahead and put that clamp back on. Like so. Now let's just go ahead and put our dust cover back on, and this repair is finished. All right, guys, and just like that, this repair is finished. So what we're gonna do to test that this fixes the problem, I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna start the car, I'm gonna let it run for a minute, I'm gonna shut it off. I'll be back in here tomorrow morning, and the first thing I'm gonna do before I start the car is hit the brake pedal. 9 times out of 10, this will fix your problem. If for some reason that doesn't fix your problem, you're gonna be looking at an issue with your brake booster, whether that be the case of it is rusty and allowing vacuum to escape, or you have a pinhole in the diaphragm. But like I said, 9 times out of 10, that check valve is your problem, and you will be ready to go ahead and drive down the road. So please like, share, and subscribe if this helped, and comment down below, let me know how you made out, and we'll see you on the next one.